Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the GreenPan Chatham 11-inch everyday frying pan skillet. If you're in the market for a versatile, healthy, and durable pan, stick around, because this one has a lot to offer. First off, let's talk about what makes this pan stand out. The core of the GreenPan Chatham is its Thermolon healthy ceramic non-stick coating. Now, GreenPan emphasizes that this coating is free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant point for many consumers who are looking to avoid potentially harmful chemicals in their cookware. They even state that even if the pan is accidentally overheated, it won't release toxic fumes, which is a great peace of mind. Beyond the healthy aspect, this non-stick coating is reinforced with diamonds. This is where the durability comes in. GreenPan claims it's metal utensil safe, which means you can use your spatulas and whisks without worrying about scratching the surface. This is a huge advantage for everyday cooking, as it removes one of the biggest frustrations with non-stick pans. The body of the pan is constructed from tough hard anodized aluminum. This material is known for its strength and resistance to scratches and chips, designed to withstand the demands of daily use. So, it's not just the non-stick surface that's built to last. When it comes to cooking capabilities, this pan is surprisingly versatile. It's oven and broiler safe up to a very impressive 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a world of possibilities, from searing on the stovetop and then finishing in the oven, to making dishes that require high heat. The included glass lid is also oven safe, though at a slightly lower temperature of 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The lid itself is a nice addition, allowing you to monitor your food without losing heat or splatter. Cleanup is another area where this pan aims to shine. It's dishwasher safe, which is always a convenient feature. For those quick messes, it also wipes clean easily, especially thanks to the non-stick surface. The description also mentions drip-free edges, which is a small but thoughtful detail that can make a difference when pouring sauces or pan juices. The handle is made of matte stainless steel. It's riveted, which generally indicates a sturdy attachment, and it's designed with an ergonomic shape for a secure and comfortable grip. The pan also features helper handles, which are great for maneuvering a larger, potentially heavy pan, especially when it's hot. It's worth noting that this is an 11-inch pan with helper handles, and GreenPan explicitly mentions it's not meant to be measured in quarts, which is good to keep in mind when comparing sizes. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This pan is suitable for all stovetops except induction. So, if you have an induction cooktop, this particular model won't work for you. It's important to check your stovetop type before purchasing. Let's move on to the pros and cons based on these features. On the pro side, the healthy ceramic non-stick coating free from harmful chemicals is a major selling point. The diamond reinforcement for durability and metal utensil safety is also a big plus. The hard anodized body adds to its robustness. The high oven and broiler safety rating offers great cooking flexibility. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean are always appreciated. The inclusion of a functional glass lid is also a positive. The ergonomic handle and helper handles contribute to user comfort and safety. However, there are a few cons to consider. The most significant limitation is its incompatibility with induction stovetops. While the lid is oven safe, its temperature limit is lower than the pan itself, which might be a minor inconvenience for some. And, as with all non-stick pans, while it's built for durability, long-term heavy-duty use with metal utensils will eventually wear down any non-stick surface. In conclusion, the GreenPan Chatham 11-inch everyday frying pan skillet offers a compelling combination of healthy non-stick technology, robust construction, and versatile cooking performance. Its focus on being free from harmful chemicals, coupled with its durability and ease of use, makes it a strong contender for everyday cooking. The main drawback is its exclusion of induction cooktop users, but for those with gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops, this pan is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.